How to compile attendance. So this is the attendance of June month that I have received. This is employee name, employee code, designation, and this is the cycle from 1st June to 30th June, and this is the attendance. If you will click from 1st June to 30th June, and these are the components which I have to compile. So this is all about how to compile, how to calculate present days, leaves. I have mentioned sick leave, earned leave, and casual leave here, the abbreviations of that. Then the absent days, off days, and the total days. Now I will show you how to calculate and what is the formula. You can note it down. How to calculate present days from this attendance is put is equal to countif, COUNTIF. Countif is the formula. Then select this formula. This is asking for the range. What is my range? My range is from 1st of June to 30th of June. This is my range. I have selected this, then put comma, double inverted comma. I have to calculate present days. This is denoted by P. Double inverted comma, bracket close, then enter. 19 are the present days in my cycle from 1st June to 30th June. Similarly, I will calculate these sick leave days is equal to countif. Select the range from 1st June to 30th June, and then abbreviation for sick leave is SL, 0 sick leave. Similarly, the countif for earned leaves. This is EL, bracket close, 0 EL. The similar way, I have already calculated casual leaves, absent days, off days, and total will be summation of all these components. The formula is SUM sum, and summation of present days, sick leave, earned leave, casual leave, absent, off days, 30 days. So this is all calculated. Total day has to be 30 because I am calculating from 1st June to 30th June. Then I will copy this and drag it down for all the employees. For all the employees, I can make it check that all days are 30 or not. So all days are 30, that means my attendance is all right. So that's how we can calculate the total days and compile the attendance. Thank you so much.